Welcome back to another round of Exploding Record Roulette. Now, after our second draw in a row, I'm really hoping for some carnage. Look at the size of that monster. Ooh, big Columbia. She's got almost an inch on her last record. Absolutely flawless. I don't even know if it will explode. I do know she's going to pull a lot of RPMs, provided the vibrations don't get it. And, yeah, we should see some fun. In the arena today, Memmer Sucks, Mr. Stick Part 2, the oh my god I can't believe you're out of ideas already styrofoam box, Mr. Stick Part 1 in his can wheelchair, and the Pepsi Crapacola bottle. And then back in here, you can't see it, little Bombay gin, because, hey, somebody needs a drink. As always, we start at 10 volts, then we ramp them up. That is a heavy, heavy record. As long as it doesn't start to vibrate, we can probably get 20,000 RPM out of it. Here we go! That would be the vibration we're talking about. Clearly that record's come loose. We're going to cinch it down. Let's try that again. Record has been retightened. The problem is, as these things spin up, it tries to unscrew. Retightened. Let's bring if we can bring her back up to speed. Wobble. Death wobble's already starting though. I can't believe you're out of ideas already. That's done. Mr. Stick Uno got ripped right out of his wheelchair. Look at that thing. It's like an abrasive cutoff wheel. Ooh. Well, that would be an idea to try, wouldn't it? Memmer Sucks. Case is crushed. God, these things, there's screens popping out of speakers. These things come out of here with a hell of a lot of force. But there's more in her. Bombay gin, that's fine. As is Mr. Stick Part 2. Okay. And Pepsi Crapacola. So, canteen. That's the one that died before. That one had some force.